Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enter for the pairing mode manually on your DOSS SoundBox Plus speaker. So to do this, you just have to click on this play and the pause button for the 5 seconds. So click and hold it. If it's not working that way, just click once and then click and hold. And after you hear that sound, it means that we actually perform the pairing manual mode. We just turn it on. Right now this indicator is blinking quickly, so it means that we successfully entered the pairing mode. And right now we can just simply get rid of that previously connection if you pair it and, for example, you want to repair it for some reason. So right now when you turn on and off the Bluetooth, you will find that your speaker appears on available devices list. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.